Children, welcome to our channel Mock Mother of CBSE Kids, The Rise of Wisdom. Today I want to explain question and answers from Science chapter number 7, Air and Water. First main, answer the following questions in brief. First con, define the following. A. Humidity. B. Atmosphere. Humidity, the amount of water vapor present in the air we call the humidity. In the rainy season, humidity is high. Coastal areas have high humidity. When the humidity is high, we sweat a lot and feel uncomfortable. This is all about the humidity. See the atmosphere, the thick layer of air that surrounds the earth. We call the atmosphere. It extends from the surface of the earth to hundreds of kilometers above it. The gravitational force of the earth holds the atmosphere at its place. Atmosphere has 5 layers: troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere and exospheres are the 5 layers of the atmosphere. This is all about the humidity and atmosphere. Second question. How is filtration used in purification of water? See here what is a filtration? Insoluble, suspended impurities in water can be removed by the process. That process we call the filtration. See here answer. Water can be filtered by using a physical barriers known as filter paper or chemical substances such as activated carbons. We use these things in filtration. Third question. What is the importance of distilled water? See the here importance. It is used in injections, medicines, car batteries and in laboratories to conduct experiments. It is also used in hospitals to clean equipments. This is the importance of distilled water. See here fourth question. How does water become polluted? How water become polluted? See here. Through the contaminants that enter the water supplies from soil or groundwater systems and from the atmosphere via rain. That's why this is the process of water gets polluted like this. See here fifth question. What is the role of condenser in distillation? See here what is the condenser? See. This is the condenser. This we call the condenser. See what is the main role in this condenser? It cools the water vapor and it changes it back into water. This is the main role of condenser in distillation. Second main, answer the following questions in detail. Give one difference between filtration and sedimentation. See the filtration, insoluble impurities can be removed by the process. That process we call the filtration. Sedimentation means sedimentation. It is the process of separating insoluble impurities in a liquid by allowing them to settle down. This process we call the sedimentation. This is the difference between the filtration and sedimentation. B. Thermosphere and exosphere. What is the difference between thermosphere and exosphere? These are the layers of the atmosphere. See here thermosphere. The air is not very dense. It is the fourth layer of the Earth's atmosphere. See here exosphere. The air is very thin. It is the outermost layer of the atmosphere. This is the difference between the thermosphere and exosphere. Third question. What is the atmosphere importance to us? Explain. See here answer. It sustains life on the earth by providing oxygen for breathing. It also provides carbon dioxide to plants for making food. The ozone layer in the atmosphere absorbs the harmful ultraviolet rays of the sun and prevents them from reaching us. It helps in maintaining temperature on the earth. It also helps in maintaining the water cycle. This is the important to us. Atmosphere is very important to us. Fourth question. How is water useful to us? This we all know. See here, generating electricity, domestic uses like washing dishes, cooking foods, brushing teeth, used for agriculture purposes, removal of body wastes. These are we use for, these are all we are using water. Fifth question. How pressure exerted by air is useful to us? See here answer. Air pressure enables us to fly kites, parachutes, gliders and real boats. It makes it possible for us to sip cool drinks with the help of straw. A hand pump function due to the air pressure. Sixth question. What does it become difficult to breathe at higher altitudes? See the answer. At higher altitudes, the air becomes thinner. The amount of oxygen is less, resulting in difficulty in breathing. Okay. Seventh question. Explain why air is needed for a burning. See the answer here. Air is needed for burning as it has supplier oxygen, which is essential for burning. See here, for example, if we take two candles and light them up, put a glass over one of the candle, the covered candle goes off instantly, while the other continues to burn. Sorry. After the air inside the glass has been used up, candle cannot burn any longer. On the other hand, the uncovered candle has sufficient air around it, so it keeps burning. This is the air is needed for burning. See here, I will explain with the picture also. See that this is the picture for this question. See here, if we take two candles and light them up, put a glass. See, this is the glass. Put a glass over one of the candle. The covered candle goes off instantly. See here, that is goes off. While the other continues to burn. Other one is continues to burn. See, after the air inside the glass has been used up, candle cannot burn any longer. On other hand, the uncovered candle has sufficient air around it. Okay, the uncovered candle has sufficient air around it, so it keep burn. That's why we need air for burning. See here, layers of atmosphere. See here, this is the earth. These are the 5 layers. See here, what is the atmosphere? I am explaining layers of atmosphere diagram. See here, the thick layer of air that surrounds the earth is called atmosphere. It extends from the surface of the earth to hundreds of kilometers above it. The gravitational force of the earth holds the atmosphere at its place. Atmosphere has 5 layers. See here, 5 layers. These are the layers. See here, troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, exospheres are the 5 layers of the atmosphere. This is the earth and this is the ozone layer. See here, I will explain the troposphere. It is a lowermost layer of the atmosphere. See, troposphere is the lowermost layer of the atmosphere. It extends, see here, it extends from the surface of the earth to about 20 kilometers above it. It contains about 75% of all the air in the atmosphere. Okay, 99% of water vapors is present in this layer. all weather changes takes place in this layer. This is all details of the detailed explanation of the troposphere. Next, stratosphere. See here, stratosphere. This is the second layer of the atmosphere. It extends from 20 kilometers to 50 kilometers above the Earth's surface. The air in this layer is less dense than that in troposphere. Okay. The ozone layer, see here, this is the ozone layer. The ozone layer that absorbs harmful ultraviolet rays of the sun is located in this layer. Located in this layer. Jet planes usually fly in this layer. Stratosphere, as the jet planes usually flies in this layer. This is the all detailed explanation of the stratosphere. Next one, mesosphere. The layer of atmosphere above the stratosphere. See here, this is the stratosphere. Stratosphere above the mesosphere. See, this is the mesosphere. Okay, the layer of the atmosphere above the stratosphere is a mesosphere. It extends from 50 kilometers to 85 kilometers above the Earth's surface. See here, this is the surface of the Earth. From here, 50 kilometers to 85 kilometers above the Earth's surface. Air in mesosphere is thinner than the stratosphere. Okay, mesosphere, air in mesosphere is thinner than the stratosphere. This is all of a detailed explanation of the mesosphere. Next one, thermosphere. Thermosphere is the fourth layer of the atmosphere and extends from 85 kilometers to 690 kilometers above the Earth's surface. See here, thermosphere is extends from 85 kilometers to 690 kilometers above the Earth's surface. The air is not very dense here. Space shuttles orbit in this layer. Another layer called ionosphere is a part of the thermosphere. We can listen to radio programs because of the ionosphere. This is all about detailed explanation of the thermosphere. Next, exosphere. This is the fifth or outermost layer of the atmosphere. It extends from about 690 kilometers to the outer space. The air is very thin in this layer. The exosphere is a vast empty space. There is no air in the space beyond the exosphere. It protects the Earth from the meteors and asteroids. This is the all detailed explanation about the exosphere. These are the layers of the atmosphere and explanation of the layers of atmosphere. See here, distillation diagram. First, we explain the distillation one here. What is the meaning of distillation in simple words? See here, the action of purifying a liquid by a process of heating and cooling. This is the meaning, simple meaning of the distillation. See here, first in this picture, what are the things here? See, this is the impure water and this is the thermometer and this is the water outlet and this is the condenser and this is the water inlet and these are the pure water and this flask we call the distillation flask. This flask we call the distillation flask. Okay, this is all things in this distillation diagram and now I am explaining this diagram. See here. Distillation means changing a liquid into its vapors and then condensing the vapors to get the pure form of that liquid is called distillation. See here, impure water. See here, these are the impure water. Impure water is heated. See here, here heating is there. These are the impure water. Impure water is heated in a digital flask. See here. Impure water is heated in a distillation flask. This we call the distillation flask. When the water changes into steam, see here, this is the light lines are there. These are the steam. Okay, these are the steam. When the water changes into steam, enters into the condenser. The condenser is keep cool by circulating cold water around it. Okay, the condenser is keep cool by circulating cold water around it. This cool the steam and changes it back into water. Okay, this is a cools the steam. Cools the steam and changes it back into water. This process is called condensation of water. The condensed water is the condensed water. The condensed water is collected in another container. This water is pure and is called the digital water. This we call the pure water or digital water. These dissolved impurities are left behind in the flask. See here impure water. These are the impure water, and here is the impurities are there. This is the pure water. These are the pure water. In digital water is used in injections, medicines, car batteries, in laboratories to conduct the experiments, and in hospitals to clean the equipments. Digital water is not good for the drinking purpose. This is all detailed explanation of the distillation diagram. Thank you all. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you.